Welcome to SuiteTrails. Today, we're taking you on a virtual tour of the 7 top attractions in Alberobello, Italy. Get ready to explore the unique trulli houses and immerse yourself in the charm of this enchanting town. Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description. Number 1. Discover the exciting history of trulli on this walking tour of Alberobello's northern side with a local guide. Along the way, listen to facts, legends, and anecdotes on this amazing UNESCO World Heritage site. Begin your adventure with a guided walking tour through the fascinating streets of Alberobello's town center. Traverse the labyrinthine alleys and marvel at the whimsical trulli houses, each with its own fascinating story to tell. Hear tales of their construction, unveiling the secrets of their cone-shaped roofs and stone walls. Stop to take photos of the town's fairy tale landscape. As your walk comes to a close, find yourself conveniently at a central location, granting you the freedom to continue your exploration. You can wander through the charming streets, browse local boutiques, or unwind at a delightful cafe, immersing yourself further in Alberobello's enchanting atmosphere. Number 2. After meeting your guide, set out for a sightseeing Alberobello tour. Follow your guide into the historical center of Rione Monte, which boasts over 1,000 iconic trulli buildings. Marvel at the unique architecture of these fascinating buildings while learning about their history and significance. Continue the tour with a visit to Rione Piccola, an area that best represents the ancient medieval village where you can stop at the viewpoint to take some beautiful pictures. Your journey ends at the city's highest point, where the Church of St. Anthony of Padua is located. Notice the similarities between the church and the trulli buildings and soak up the historical atmosphere of the site as you listen to your guide's tales and anecdotes. Number 3. Enjoy an exclusive tour of a vineyard and winery, accompanied by tastings of the estate's wines and products. Number 4. Book your workshop and learn how to build a trullo with the help of the craftsman Leo. Explore Alberobello, and at the end of the experience, you will receive a trullo kit, ready to be assembled with stone pieces already cut and processed, glue and relative instructions. Demonstrations at Trullo Sovrano can be booked every day from 10:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. for small groups and families. Prenota la tua esperienza per imparare a costruire un trullo con l'aiuto del nostro artigiano Leo. Costruisci e porta a casa un kit trullo, con pezzi in pietra gia tagliati e numerati per voi. Number 5. Arrive at the home of your expert host for a memorable private dining experience where you will taste authentic recipes treasured in family cookbooks passed down by real Italian mothers. Number 6. The tour between Alberobello and the Massery of Noci is an opportunity for in-depth knowledge of the territory that allows you to learn about the history of the trulli of Alberobello, a UNESCO heritage site, and to experience the history of its massery included in the territory up to Noci. On an electric bicycle, we will travel along the historic paths. We will admire those places that produce what has been arriving on our tables for centuries thanks to the tireless work of agricultural companies that work every day to deliver typical products of the territory, those same products that can be tasted at a small additional cost. We will have the opportunity to live a suggestive experience in the mythical setting of the trulli, and we will be able to delight in suggestive views made of woods and cultivated fields present along the entire route. Because Alberobello is not just the city of trulli. Number 7. Embark on a guided culinary tour of the city of Alberobello, famous for its picturesque UNESCO-listed whitewashed stone huts. Meet your local guide on Via Indipendenza and begin your journey through one of Puglia's most important locations. Head up to a viewpoint to admire panoramic views over the entire city before enjoying a stroll through the alleyways of Alberobello's historic districts. Here, marvel at the curious architecture of the trulli and visit the iconic Trullo Church. During your tour, you will stop at regular intervals to sample some of the city's famed food specialties. Sample local products such as primitive wine, cured meat, and cheeses, including the delicious burrata and pecorino. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.